Hi, this is Harry with Rack Your Garage. I just want to talk about when you're attaching the rack to the ceiling, you want to really think about the direction of the ceiling joists. And in this example, we've got them going this way. So let's say from behind me to in front of me, and then there's a beam, and then the other side of the beam, they go left to right. So to really think about where you're going to set the rack to make this work. So at the back corner there, we've got it right pretty much against the wall because once I measured the 4 foot out to here, it lined up with a left to right ceiling joist. So just really think about, before you actually start anchoring any ceiling joists, actually where is it going to end up at the end of the day. This rack is a 4 foot by 8 foot, and so your screws are going to be that spacing apart. Anyway, Harry from Rack Your Garage.